What is up guys, my name is Talha and you're watching Gadgets Sphere. In today's video, I'm gonna do the full review of Lineage OS 18.1 for the Poco X3 Pro. So there's just one thing which I love about this ROM, that is, it has everything you need. Like, this is basically the perfect package and I'm gonna explain you in today's video. So I'm gonna talk about the top 5 things which I love about this ROM, and after that I'm gonna make a new video also where I'm gonna answer all your queries regarding this ROM. So if you have any other queries, just comment down below as soon as the video starts so that I can see the queries and just answer it. But now let's just talk about the top 5 things which I love. And starting off with the number 1 thing which I love here is the anti-ghosting is gone. Like, in 120Hz smartphones, when you scroll very fast up and down, there is a bit of anti-ghosting. That is basically the display just becomes a little bit unusable and visible. So this issue is basically gone. Like in this ROM, the Lineage OS 18.1, we basically don't have the anti-touching issue. And there's also one thing which is gone, that is missed touches. There are a lot of accidental touches. You are pressing on something else, the something else opens. So those things are gone. And if you want to follow me on Instagram, that's my ID, make sure you follow. And now let's just talk about the second thing which I love about this ROM, and that is performance. Like, a lot of you guys were asking about the best ROM for gaming, the best gaming ROM, and I'm gonna be deadly honest. Like, I have used this ROM. I have actually played BGMI on this as well, but I didn't shot a video at that time. If you want a video of BGMI full gameplay in Lineage OS, make sure you comment down below, and then I will make a video about that as well. But before that, this video should get at least 200 likes. That's what I want. So now, as I was talking about gaming, we all know 860 is pretty powerful. Like, many people will say, like, yeah, 860 is good, but we have better phones. Like, under 20k you can get a lot good phones. 778 is very good. Honestly, I have the Realme GT Master Edition. You don't need to fool anyone. It's not that great. I'm telling you from my honest experience, because I have actually used the 778 smartphones as well, and that's when I'm telling you, like, yeah, it is okay-ish. I'm not saying that 788 is bad or 778 is bad, but there's just one thing which is just like little odd, that is 860 cannot be compared with the 788 or the GT Master Edition, because 860 is like a flagship processor. It has one of the best gaming experience you can get in a smartphone under the budget of 20,000 rupees. And still, if you are like considering that, the Poco X3 Pro is still a clear winner. There's no doubts in that. So yeah, in terms of performance, this is one of the best ROMs. Like, I'm honestly telling you, if you want a review, comment down below. And now let's just talk about the third thing which I love about this ROM, that is its simplicity. Like, this ROM basically ships with minimal apps. It has like literally very less apps, and it even doesn't have the Google apps. Like, it actually didn't had the Play Store at first, and then you need to install Google apps from a separate, like, open G apps. So if you know how to flash G apps, it's very easy, but if you don't know, I prefer just watch a video of Gadget Sphere only, because I will make a video about how to install that. If you want that, also comment down below, because on comments videos I will make that will be better. So yeah, third thing is, as I told you, minimalistic. Like, third thing, as I told you, this ROM is simple. Its simplicity is awesome. The fourth thing which I love about this ROM is related to both things. That is, the fourth thing is, first of all, the smoothness. Like, this is a damn smooth ROM. Like, literally, it's very smooth. Every app you open, it's just instant. Opening apps, scrolling on YouTube is also like, it gives 120 Hz experience all the time. That is great. So yeah, it is very smooth. That is the fourth thing. And the thing which is linked to this is cameras on Instagram actually work really good. Many times what happens is the cameras on the Instagram aren't that good. Like, at times it doesn't work that good. There might be a lot of issues, but here in this ROM, no issues at all. It's super awesome. It works absolutely fine. And yeah, at times it also doesn't lag while shooting a story, like moving the object from here and there. Like, as you guys can see, it isn't lagging that much, because in a pixel ROMs I see a lot of lag happening. I think these guys have done a better job optimizing the ROM than the pixel developers themselves. So that's one thing. Lineage OS is still excellent in terms of that. And the fifth and last thing which I'm going to talk about in today's video is the Gcam support. Like, I have tried one more Oxygen OS port, which is the latest one, by the way, of December. And in that port, this Gcam wasn't working. But here in this port, this Gcam is working. That's really awesome. Like, you just open the app. And now let me just try to take a photo, because this is a very tricky subject. You know why? We have a pure black like monitor, we have pure white table, and we have like a wooden type of texture at the back. So let's just try to take a photo with this Gcam and show you guys that yeah, it is working perfectly fine, because otherwise you guys will say like, hey, it isn't working. So yeah, this is the live sample, and I'm gonna show you the algorithm Gcam used. Like, they just look at the details first of all. Oh my god. And then we have that edge separation. Like, look at that. And look at the the darker parts of the monitor as well as the lighter parts of this my table is also very well visible. Like, it is fully balanced photo. Without even editing, it looks super awesome. So yes, we have full-fledged Gcam support. Even there is stabilization in video recording. That is a really awesome thing. Like, if you shake your hands a bit, it is gonna work crazy good, but if you shake too much, it won't work that good. And yeah, the front camera in Google Camera kind of bad. Like, it's as always really awful. Like, literally we don't have any option of FPS. There's no FPS option. It's just okay-ish, and I'm actually feeling a bit sleepy today. So yeah, the front camera is just kind of okay-ish. It's not the best. So that's my top 5 things which I love about the Lineage OS. I'm gonna make a full review about this very soon. If you guys want to know any specific thing about this, make sure you comment down below and make sure you subscribe. I just want to get 3,000 subscribers as soon as possible. I'll see you around. Stay safe, stay healthy. Peace out.